My name is Sudhanshu Baiti. In this video, I will be talking about hidden Markov model in the context of part of speech tagging. So, what do you mean by part of speech tagging? You are given a sentence or a sequence of words and you need to have a pause or part of speech assignment to those words. So, let's see it with an example. Suppose you have a sentence, the blue cat. So, a part of speech tagging for this sentence would be determiner for the, adjective for blue, and noun for can. So we need to come up with a method, or we need to build a system that will help us to tag our any sequence of words. So let's say that we have a system called pause tagger. What it accepts is nothing but a sequence of words, say w1, w2 till wn, and it emits a sequence of tags corresponding to words w1 to wn, and we need to model this system. A way to model this system is using hidden Markov model. So what is a hidden Markov model? We will look into it and come back to formulate our system. A hidden Markov model is nothing but a stochastic process in which a system is assumed to be a Markov process with unobservable states and observable outputs. In our case, unobservable states are nothing but pause tags, and observable outputs are nothing but the words that we see. So in brief, this is what a hidden Markov model is. So let's come back and formulate this system. Basically, we will use the notion of probability to formulate our system. Let's see how we do this. So we are given a sequence of words w1, w2 till wn, and we need to assign some tag t1, t2 till tn such that this probability is maximized for some order of t1, t2 till tn. Using naive ways, we can write this as probability of w1, w2 till wn given t1, t2 till tn into probability of t1, t2 till tn upon probability of w1, w2 till wn. This denominator is nothing but probability of sentence which is fixed. So we can simply ignore this or remove this from our calculations. Now coming to the first part and expanding it a bit further. So this can be written by product rule of probability as probability of w1 given t1, t2 till tn times probability of w2 given w1, t1 till tn times probability of w3 given w2, w1, t1 till tn. This will go on till probability of wn given wn minus 1, wn minus 2 times t1, t2 till tn. Now, since we assume it to be a hidden Markov model, the probability of word that is being omitted solely depends on the tag that it is associated with. Over here, w2 solely depends on t2 and it doesn't depend on t1 or w1. So we can approximate this as probability of w1 given t1. Similarly, we can approximate this to be probability of w2 given t2, so on and so forth. So the first part of the equation reduces to nothing but product of probability of wi given ti for all I. So let's replace this in the first part of the equation. Now we will evaluate the second part of the equation, that is probability of t1, t2 till tn. So this can again be written by product rule of probability as probability of t1 times probability of t2 given t1 times probability of T3 given T1, T2, so on and so forth for probability Tn given Tn minus 1, Tn minus 2 till T1. Now, since we assume in hidden Markov model, since we assume a system to be a Markov process, so the future state of the system solely depends on the current state of the system and not its past state. So T3 from T2 you can only go to T3, and T3 will not be influenced by T1. So this can be approximated as P of T3 given T2. Similarly, this can be approximated as P of Tn given Tn minus 1. And P of T1 is nothing but probability that our system starts with T1. So we replace this in our original set of equation. So this turns out to be nothing but product of probability of Ti given Ti minus 1 into probability of T1. That's it. So in formally this is called nothing called but the emission probability, which is the probability that this tag will emit this word, and this is called the transition probability, which is the probability that you will transit from Ti minus 1 to T1. As you can see it over here, this is the emission probability and this is the transition probability. A way to solve this equation is by Viterbi algorithm, which you can use to have a part of speech assignment to a given sequence of words. That is all in this video. I would like to thank my friend Sanket, Dhruv and Sunny for helping me with this video. I hope you liked the video, and thank you very much.